Finding a great web host that delivers top-notch quality service at an affordable price can be tough. In some cases, you sacrifice quality for price, or you wind up paying an exorbitant amount of fees just for the services that should come standard with any web host. And don't even get me started on the slow website loading times. Some web hosts serving your sites have slower loading times than a turtle running through molasses. It was these problems and more that led us to start our own hosting company that would give every business owner and marketer a great place to host their websites with blazing fast speeds. And I'm pleased to announce that we've just put together a very special offer just for you to join us. It's called 3-for-1 hosting, and with this special offer, you'll get 3 years of high quality, top-notch hosting for only the price of one. Look, we don't pay any fancy celebrities to promote our hosting. And because we don't, we're able to pass those savings on to our customers. But don't think for a moment that we're some rinky-dink outfit. Nope. We have tens of thousands of highly satisfied customers who stay with us forever. You can see all the details below this video, but here's what we offer our customers with our special 3-for-1 hosting service. All of our servers are top-of-the-line hardware to give you blazing fast speeds, top-of-the-line software for faster loading sites, 24/7 support available whenever you need it, 99.9% uptime guarantee, unlimited domains that you can host with our service, an easy-to-use cPanel control panel, all the applications you'll ever need for your websites, unlimited email accounts, unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited MySQL databases, unlimited subdomains, a free website builder, and enterprise-grade storage. As I said before, you can see the full details of this incredible offer below, but where else are you going to go and get so much incredible value for an incredibly low price? Look, with 3-for-1 hosting, you're getting top-notch quality service that will make your websites load fast with blazing speeds. That means you'll keep the traffic that actually comes to your website instead of slow loading times that repel website visitors. And with all the benefits we're offering, along with a 30-day money-back guarantee, how could you possibly go wrong with this offer? So it just makes sense to sign up today. Heck, even if you only keep this as a backup to your current web host, it's still a great offer. But this is only available for a limited time. When the clock runs out on this page, you'll be forced to pay a higher price. So don't delay. Sign up for your 3-for-1 hosting account today and enjoy all the benefits of high-quality, top-notch hosting without all the monthly fees. Go ahead and do it now. You'll be glad you did.